we're on the home stretch, friends, and I am so excited because guess what today is? Today is the day that I find out who my Secret Santa is, and this is package number 3. And if you haven't seen some of the other videos, go check them out. It is a swap hosted by Carol at A Crinkled Path, and it is called Christmas in July Swap 2026. You can find all of the videos if you search them by using the hashtag Christmas in July Swap 2026, and or you can look right in the description box and see all of my friends who are participating, all the talented artists, or you can go to Carol's playlist and you'll also find everybody that's participating. And it's really fun because you get to see a lot of talented friends, all of the things that they've created. And then a lot of them will be actually doing some creative things or showing, either maybe doing a make along or just showing what they're sending to their Secret Santa after everybody's unboxed. So it's very entertaining, okay? If you're a Snoopy like me, it's especially entertaining. But this is the last package, and I believe right in here is going to be the reveal of who my Secret Santa is. And I don't know. I'm really struggling on who it might be. I have a couple. Maybe I should probably look again at my list because I thought maybe I knew, and then I was like, maybe I don't. I don't know. But, or let's just be surprised. Okay, so package number 3. This was, I don't remember. I think it was some handmade goodies and some supplies. I think it was the last one. And this looks to me like something that I am very much in need of, and that is Christmas cards. Look at that. And they're with the bows. Oh, you know what? I might. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me look inside of these in case okay, they're just blank. Oh, look, she just added a little snippet in there. Oh my gosh, I love this paper. That's cute. Just a nice little touch. They all coordinate. They're all my colors. These are fabulous. And I need Christmas cards. That's for sure. I'm not a card maker. Isn't that weird? I mean, I've scrapbooked for ages, and I think I love to give cards, and I love to send just, a letter or card. But do I do it? Not like I should. But when I have things like this, you know that I will be using them. Thank you, Santa. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then it looks like she sent me some more goodness. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm looking ahead, but... All right, she sent me this fabric. I love it. Love the colors. She did awesome. This, if you remember in the first video, she made a tag out of this, and I was like, oh my gosh. This is one of my favorite all-time winter, Christmas, holiday fabrics. So, that's a big gift. And then, this is also, look at how perfect these go together. Little candy stripe. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then there's some more. Oh my goodness. What are these? Those are cute. Up to Snow Good. Those are cute. And look how cute they'll look with it. All of these. Like this all just goes together. Beautiful job. And then, ooh, this is neat. Paper Rose. Do I know who Paper Rose is? I don't think so. Winter Blooms mini kit. Oh, let's look at it. Like I said, I did not get to do Christmas or winter journals last year, so I'm kind of wanting to just drop everything and do them. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, and it's two-sided. This is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, let me just flip these over. I'll show you but look at. I'm liking me some Paper Roses. Oh, and then wait. These are all funsies. over here. Winter Blooms mini kit. Okay, this is... They could be stickers. I'm not going to pull them, but they might just be, you know, cut them out. Yeah, I think these are. And then these are all die cuts. Look at those with the... Oh my gosh. I love this. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just telling y'all right now. Oh, look. And even this piece has that on the back. Genius. I am going to keep this because I think it would be a good idea when I'm doing my tutorials to maybe once in a while. I'm just going to keep all of this together just to do a little wintry type kit. Oh, I won't put that together. I'm too excited to find out who my Secret Santa is. So we'll just put those up here. Let me see. Do you know who it is? Now, I don't know. Like, I totally... Should I say this yet? No, I'm not going to say, but I kind of played a little trickety-trickster when I mailed my stuff. So, if I say, then my Santa might figure it out. If they haven't opened all of theirs yet. But, given the address, I thought it might be one of 3 people. But then I was like, well, maybe they didn't use their real address. Maybe they sent it from somebody else's address. So let's see. Happy Christmas in July, Angela. I hope you like and enjoy using these items that I have sent. I had a lot of fun making. Oh, hello, Shawana. Okay, I would not have guessed it was you because I did not know that you were in the state that you sent that from. I was thinking you were from a different state. But I am telling you, you nailed it. And if you guys don't know Shawana, hopefully you've been watching her videos as well. She is My Reality Crafts, both on Instagram and YouTube. And Shawana, as you can tell, is an amazing creator. And you've got an eye. Like, you've got everything. I mean, I don't know. I'm going to grab, let's see. I have all of my Secret Santa things over here. Do I? No, yes. But let me just show you as a recap about Shawana's talent. First of all, her cards are amazing. Then she sent me these cute little hankies, which are going to go on this project. And by the way, a little tip or a little hint on the project. This fabric right here that's underneath here, this buffalo check, is one of said projects. So stay tuned if you're so interested to see what I might be working on. But so she sent me this. Then she sent me all these wonderful vintage greeting cards. Everything came bundled beautifully. I mean, I love this. And then I got 3 tags. And probably, I mean, now listen, Shawana. This is, I love everything you sent me. But I know how I hoard yo-yos when I get them. So for you to have gifted me these beautiful feed sack yo-yos, oh my gosh, you are a generous, generous soul. And I somehow misplaced, I have 3 of these gorgeous ribbons. Oh, it's over here. I need to know where you got these, Shawana, because they are beautiful. Isn't that, look at that loveliness. So if you liked these videos, please let me know. Let Shawana know what your favorite thing was. I think everything is beautiful. But I think if I had to guess, it's the tags, the yo-yos, and that fabric that is now buried. This fabric are probably my very favorites of everything. But I love it all. Thank you, Shawana, from the bottom of my heart for taking the time, for sending me such a wonderful gift, and for just taking the time. I really appreciate it. And friends, don't forget to go check Carol's channel out. Go check out the hashtag and give some of my friends in the description box a little love and go check them out. We will talk to you soon, and happy Christmas in July. We will talk to you next time. Until then, remember to take some time to just be. Cheers.